Welcome to ELH4X4 doing stuff. Today we're doing unboxing of RAM that I bought for the Lenovo. We're going to upgrade from 8 gig to 16 gig, so come along. Alright, tools needed will be a Phillips head screwdriver, spudger, and RAM. Alright, let's do this. First thing we've got to do is remove the base. These are kind of like a cam lock, so when you turn them clockwise, follow the arrow. It pushes down and lifts the case up. And that's when you just get your spudger in there and move it along. So we'll go over to this other side here. Turning it clockwise. Now we have to remove the mount. Four screws holding that in. The wire that goes from the source, remove that, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws holding this metal cover over the motherboard. Lift up gently on this cover. It'll give you a little bit of resistance. There's a seal that goes around these USB and all these other ports. And these little attachment points clip into the bottom part of the motherboard, so you got to lift it up and pull down on it. Right here is where memory is located at. So you can ground yourself out. Once you do that, don't lose contact. I know some people are freaking out, you know, oh, static discharge, you'll wipe out this, that, and the other. All right, you just pull these tabs out, lift up, and move it out of the way. It only goes in one way. If you try to put it in the other way, it won't fit. Put it in on an angle and then press down. Make sure it's seated. That's it. All right. Let's reverse order this. Plug our wire back in for the source. Install the small screws. I forgot to put my glasses on. All right, we got this housing back on. Let's put the mount back on. 4 screws. So that gets lined up, and then a little bit of pressure all the way around. Oh, that's not on right. There we go. All right, let's get this thing plugged in and see if it turns back on. All right, we could plug our USB back in, get our power cables hooked up. What am I looking? There we go. See if it recognizes me with the head mount on. Something went wrong. Please sign in with your PIN. Never seen that before. Installed RAM 16 gig. All right, so I'll use this for a couple of days and let you know what the results were. All right, so we went through unboxing, RAM installation, actually firing it up. I didn't even have to wait a couple of days. Immediately I started seeing results. The programs are opening up really fast. The way it's processing my videos in the programs is running a lot faster. So the upgrade seems to be a success. So thank you for watching. This is ELH 4x4 doing stuff. Have a great day.